I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Our dear Heavenly Father, we're so grateful for this wonderful day. We're grateful that we can hold Girls Camp virtually. We ask, please bless that we will have a good day today and we'll be able to do all the activities and feel the Spirit as we do them. And I say these things in Jesus Christ, amen.
I am a beloved daughter of heavenly parents with a divine nature and eternal destiny. As a disciple of Jesus Christ, I strive to become like him. I seek and act upon personal revelation and minister to others in his holy name. I will stand as a witness of God at all times and in all things and in all places. As I strive to qualify for exaltation, I cherish the gift of repentance and seek to improve each day. With faith, I will strengthen my home and family and make and keep sacred covenants and receive the ordinances and blessings of the Holy Temple.
Hi guys, so for Kimball Ward's hero we chose Emma Smith, and the reason why we did that is because we thought she relates to what we're going through right now. She went through a lot of hardships and trials, but she stayed really faithful through it all, and I believe that we can all do the same thing. So yeah, we love Emma.
Hello everyone, we are looking forward to another great day of Virtual Young Women Camp. I wanted to give you a quick update about the artistry animation lesson. It will no longer be held on Zoom. Instead, it will be a live stream that you can watch on YouTube. And we would love for you to watch that stream and join in as a participant to ask questions and interact with our presenter after her video is shown. I will be adding a link to the website a little later today so that you can join as a participant. I also wanted to mention that the same process will be used for our Secret Hideouts Revealed event tonight. That event will give you the chance to use all the things you've created throughout the day and learn throughout the day to have a great backyard camp out. So again, we will be having a live stream on YouTube, and that's linked on the website. And later today, I will be adding a link to join as a participant. We really would love to see what you've set up in your backyard or your living room or wherever else you're camping out tonight. So we hope to see you on our live streams. Have a great day.